Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my routine on self-care and self-love. Self-love is very important for a healthy mind and happy soul. It is very important to take some time from busy schedules and take care of yourself because that way you will be healthy from inside and happy from within. On this day I make sure that I'm alone at home and I start the day with massaging my hair using almond oil. For aromatherapy I like to light some candles and use essential oils. Aromatherapy is proven to relieve stress. Here I am using lavender oil, which is everyone's favorite. Now this is a DIY massaging oil. I am using almond oil along with lavender oil. It is proven to improve blood circulation throughout body. I use it on areas I feel lot of stress and muscle pull and pains. Healthy and happy mom equals healthy and happy kids, so do take care of yourself once in a while. I also like to soak my feet in hot water along with some bath salts. And after scrubbing, I like to moisturize my feet and wear socks. This takes care of my feet. Also, I like to read some positive and motivating books. Read some inspiring books as it helps in having a positive attitude towards life. Also on this day I like to have a long uninterrupted shower, which is a dream after becoming a mom. I also like to use a scrub pack meant for face. I like to scrub off any dead cells. And it is very important to replenish your skin by using scrub packs every now and then. After scrubbing, I like to moisturize my skin and tone my skin with aloe vera gel, and I store aloe vera gel in refrigerator until it is chilled, and using chilled aloe vera gel closes the open pore, which are very common after having a long shower. Also, massaging with aloe vera gel promotes healthy new cell, so you'll observe that your skin is much more soft and supple. Additionally, you can add few drops of oil such as almond oil or coconut oil to massage your skin with aloe vera gel, and you can observe that your skin is much more glowing, soft and supple. I also like to use a used green tea bag on eyes just to soothe and cool them. For some me time, I like to spend some time daily, at least 15 minutes in a natural environment, and research has also proven that spending time in a natural environment promotes mental health as well as overall health. Whenever you're feeling depressed or feeling very low, make a cup of your favorite hot tea and speak to someone you love, especially mothers, cousins, sisters or friends. You won't believe the positive energy you get after speaking to someone you love. Since I started doing this routine, I feel much more peace and much more calm. I feel happy from inside, and this has helped me especially as a mom. So after a small break for some me time, back to household work and mom work. So that's it for now. Do subscribe for more such videos, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.